Hello Internet! Here's a short video of a wood turning experiment which I found very interesting. I started working with a homemade lathe and currently testing different materials and working techniques. Some months ago I dug out roots of red currant, left them to dry for several months and cut the roots into different pieces. I wondered what will happen when you turn the pieces of the root ball and how the results would look like. I had no idea from the start what could be the result out of this burl wood. To be honest, I'm not sure yet what the result is. If you have any suggestions, just leave them in the comments in the video. Let's see how my little experiment turned out. At this point I saw that burl wood and resin can also be a good combination. In fact, I saw different examples on this on YouTube and it's a very interesting combination of materials. Maybe next time I will try it and put the root into a resin cover. I have decided to sculpt and work out the piece a bit more, but the things turned out differently. Unfortunately, it has been shown that parts of the root were rotten, so I had to adjust the shape of the piece. As a result, the overall size of the final result has become smaller than originally planned. So here the story ends for this video. As I said, I like to see your suggestions regarding the result in the comments. The Burl wood has a very beautiful grain and the shape has a natural beauty. I can only recommend different materials and techniques to try out. I hope my little experiment was entertaining, and if so, then just give the video a like. There will be more videos on woodworking, workshop topics and DIY topics in general in the coming weeks, in connection with 3D printing and design. And if this is of interest for you, then subscribe to my channel. I can only recommend to try out different materials and wood turning techniques yourself. In my opinion, that's a good way to learn something new and also to have a lot of fun in the workshop. Have a good time, stay tuned, see you next time.